In this tutorial, we'll make some psychedelic animations. All the videos that you can see on the screen right now were made entirely in Cavalry. I created 3 new filters which you'll be able to download for free from the links below, so you can make your own psychedelic animations. Before we start, I recommend you visit the documentations page on how to install plugins, scripts, and filters in Cavalry, as this information might change when you're watching this video. I made 3 different plugins which we'll have a look at now. So the first filter we'll have a look is called Mosaic. It's very similar to pixelate, so let's have a look at pixelate first. Pixelate works by resizing our source image according to the pixel size, and we can change the border color like so. Now let's have a look at Mosaic instead. Mosaic works in very similar way, except in this case you can specify number of columns and rows separately, so you can get some interesting results as follows. Mosaic as well has option to add a stroke as well, as you can see on the screen. So it's very similar effect, it just has a slightly different functionality. Now let's look at the second filter, and this filter is called Kolorama. It's very similar to gradient map. Gradient map simply remaps the colors of our image according to shadows, mid, and highlights, and using these colors. Kolorama is similar, so when you add it, the image will turn black and white, and we have option to add a gradient. So let me change the color slightly to see what is going on, and maybe add one in the middle as well, like this, maybe blue. So Kolorama will remap our image according to shadows, mids, and highlights. And you can see how it looks now on the screen. However, this filter contains few extra effects. For example, Face lets us animate this gradient mapping very easily, and Cycle Reps allows us to simply add extra cycles to this mapping. So this way you can create very trippy animations super easily. And this works on videos and stills as well. And finally, you have the option to fade the effect in and out. And now let's look at the last filter, which is called Kaleidoscopter. And the way this filter works is that it creates kaleidoscopic designs or looks from source material. This includes stills or video files. So let's look through the controls over here. You can easily increase number of segments. Let's maybe pick something like 12. We can animate individual slices. Essentially, we are moving individual pieces along the path like this. So this is what the phase shift do. Now you will notice some pieces are cut off, and we can fix that by adding extra padding on the side and top and bottom. Now we've got a few more controllers like zoom. We can easily zoom in and out of the image itself. And we've got bloat and pinch, which allows us to essentially pinch the central pixels in or out like a little balloon. Finally, we've got image offset, and this essentially offsets the source image. So if I keep pushing it, it will disappear in itself and comes out. So as you can see, we can do quite a lot with this little panel. But the best part is that we have all the different kaleidoscopic designs available to us. So for example, square allows us to create this kind of mosaic look, And let me zoom in a little bit so you can see better what is going on. And we can even further scale the grid to create some really crazy animations with literally animating two properties. And further, we can animate the phase shift. Let's look at the glass, and I need to reset the controllers a little bit. So the glass allows us to create some sort of mosaic look like from individual slices. And again, the whole thing is animated. So there's a lot you can do with this filter by playing with various controllers, animating them, or combining this with other filters in Cavalry. So as mentioned, you can download all of them for free from the links below or by providing a small donation on a Gumroad page. Thanks for watching.